In today's video, I'll show you a clean and modern version of TicTacToe built with HTML, CSS, and JS. We'll take a look at the layout, animations, and the full game logic that makes every move react instantly. If you want to create your own interactive minigame for the web, stay tuned. This will be quick, simple, and really fun to learn. Welcome back. In this part of the video, we're diving into the full breakdown of our modern and responsive Tic-Tac-Toe game, built entirely with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let's start with the structure. The HTML is kept clean and minimal. Just a simple container, a title, the game board, a status message, and a reset button. The board itself is generated using JavaScript, which gives us the flexibility to fully control each cell dynamically. In the CSS section, we focus on creating a smooth modern UI. The background features a blue-teal gradient that gives the page a subtle futuristic look. The container holding the game uses rounded corners and a soft shadow for a clean card effect. The cells of the board are styled as individual squares using CSS grid, arranged in 3 equal columns. Each cell has a hover animation, scaling slightly as you move your mouse over it, making the game feel more alive and interactive. The colors stay neutral and soft, which keeps the focus on the X's and O's during gameplay. Now let's talk about the JavaScript, the heart of the game. The script begins by generating all 9 cells programmatically so that every time you reset the game, you get a fresh board. Each cell listens for a click, and when a player selects a square, it checks whether the move is valid, places the current symbol, and updates the UI instantly. The logic then checks for a winning combination. All possible win conditions, rows, columns, and diagonals, are stored in an array. The game scans through them after every move, and if 3 matching symbols appear in a winning pattern, the game ends and displays a clear X1 or O1 message. If all cells are filled and no winner is found, the script identifies the situation as a draw and notifies the player accordingly. After that, the game becomes inactive until the reset button is pressed. The reset function simply recreates the entire board, clears all values, restores the status text, and allows a new game to begin. Altogether, this project is a great example of how a simple concept can be transformed into a polished, interactive experience using only the basics of front-end development. It also demonstrates the power of separating structure, style, and behavior, using HTML for layout, CSS for presentation, and JavaScript for logic. If you want to extend this project further, you can add features like an AI opponent, score tracking, sound effects, or even multiplayer support. And that's the full breakdown of our Tic-Tac-Toe game. Let's move on. Simple, elegant, and built with just a few lines of code. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, there's more on the way.